Have you ever asked yourself this question? If you wanted to make a major change to your appearance, would you be willing to fly to another country for surgery? For many international patients considering cosmetic surgery in China, the first question is not about price. It is plastic surgery in China safe? And this is a very reasonable concern. Because when it comes to medical procedures, safety should always come first. However, many people still have outdated impressions of China's aesthetic medical industry. Some people think the only reason patients choose China is because of lower prices. But the reality is much more complex. Today, professional aesthetic medicine is not simply about beauty treatments. A safe cosmetic surgery experience depends on a complete medical system. Doctor qualifications, hospital standards, surgical protocols, anesthesia management, post-operative recovery, and long-term follow-up care. A professional medical provider should not only tell you how beautiful the result can be, they should also explain what are the risks, how can those risks be reduced, and what happens if something goes wrong. These are the questions international patients should truly care about. So how can international patients evaluate whether a cosmetic surgery provider in China is reliable? First, look at the doctor. Do not only focus on before and after photos. Understand the doctor's medical background, qualifications, surgical experience, and specialization. Second, evaluate the medical environment. Professional cosmetic procedures should be performed in proper medical facilities that meet healthcare standards, not simply in a beauty salon environment. Third, pay attention to aftercare. Many people overlook this. The surgery is not the end of the medical journey. For international patients especially, communication, follow-up visits, and recovery guidance are extremely important. A truly professional medical service does not end after payment. It continues throughout the recovery process. China is becoming an increasingly attractive destination for international aesthetic patients, not only because of cost advantages, but also because of advancing medical technology, extensive clinical experience, and improving international patient services. So the real question is not, is cosmetic surgery in China safe? The better question is, are you choosing a professional, transparent, and responsible medical team? If you are considering coming to China for aesthetic treatment, remember this. Do not simply search for the lowest price. Look for transparent information, qualified doctors, a complete medical process, and full support throughout your journey. Because beauty matters, but safety always comes first.